Hey, what's up? It's Roy here. So today I have the SPIGEN Thin Fit case here for my Apple Watch Ultra. It's going to set you back $18.99 with Prime shipping on Amazon. So you know what I'll do? I'll put some links down in the description if you're interested in buying it after watching this video. As far as the packaging goes, pretty simple, right? We got a picture of the Apple Watch Ultra here with the Thin Fit case. And then of course, Apple Watch Ultra and SPIGEN Thin Fit. On the back, just a bunch of mumbo jumbo. So let's get this bad boy pulled out. So as far as the unboxing, that's pretty much it. Pretty simple stuff. And let's go ahead and get this taken out. So we have an install guide here, which I'm gonna show you how to do that. So pretty easy. And then here is the actual watch case. So as it says, it's a thin fit case. So it is very thin. Matte black material, so reminds me very much of the thin fit cases for the smartphones. The inside's very glossy, so glossy black, which maybe just from a design standpoint, it might help keep the watch better intact maybe. I'm not sure why they went with that glossier black inside, but let's get this bad boy installed real quick. So installation's pretty simple. The way I always install these is you want to start with the button first, like that. So you just push that in there, and then you just kind of stretch it out and push it all around. And that's all she wrote, guys. So very simple install. So just wanted to kind of show it to you before I actually install the watch strap. One thing I want to point out is you do not have to take the watch strap off to install it. As you can see there, it doesn't go over the part that slides on. So that's a very positive thing. Back in the day, that was a thing that you always had to do because these went over the older watches, so it was just a pain in the butt. Looking at the side here, you can see that we have the access to the wheel, very easy right there, no issues at all. We have the whole entire button covered up with a button that's covering it with the case, so I actually like that because it just gives a really cool black appearance. And the same thing with this side here, so we have the little speaker grill cut out there for the speaker. And then of course the action button or whatever you want to call it on this side is covered as well. And it is raised, which is nice. Got some SPIGEN branding right there. And then looking at it from the inside, you can kind of see how it hugs that interior. So it looks really good. And then looking at it from the front, you can see that you do get a little bit of the Apple Watch Ultra color coming around. So it's a really cool little extra border. So it's not just completely black. So I think it actually looks pretty cool. So now let's go ahead and get my actual strap that I use the most installed real quick. So very simple stuff. So I'm gonna just go and slap it on real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. Get my very pale tan lined wrist out of here. Okay, and that's what it looks like, ladies and gentlemen. So looks pretty cool. Now granted, I think a lot of people are going to buy the Apple Watch Ultra so that way they actually show it off a little bit. And what I mean by that is like the orange accents, like with the buttons and everything. You know, obviously you got the orange accent right there. But if you're someone that likes just a very simple black watch and just wants to give your Apple Watch Ultra a little bit of protection, then this definitely will do the trick. And it's very thin. It looks really good. I really like how this extends out because, like I said, it is covering up that button there, but I think it looks really cool and rugged. The button seems very easy to push. There's no issues. The action button there, very simple. Let me push it again. Yeah, very easy. So very good clicky buttons, which I really like. So yeah, I think it looks really good. So what do you think? Let me know down in the comments. But there we have it, guys. There is the Thin Fit case from SPIGEN. Like I said, $18.99, and you're getting SPIGEN and a very thin protective case for your Apple Watch Ultra. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.